Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem, and I know that you are probably feeling a bit stressed about your upcoming job interview. You have been searching all over the internet for standout answers, and you are looking for the best way to prepare the important nursing interview questions as well. Well, I'm here to tell you that you have just clicked the right video. If you are serious about getting ready and don't want to waste any more time, just give me your 5 precious minutes. I guarantee you this video not only recalls you the important topics but also cover the most common and important interview questions that truly matters. Before we dive into each question, I will explain what the interviewer expects from your answer so you can respond the right way based on your own experience. Many candidates make the mistake of over explaining, which often makes it clear that they are not fully prepared. I have kept my answers to the point, so please avoid irrelevant discussions. The more you talk, interviewer will ask you all sorts of questions, and that is where your mind will get stuck and you will start saying lots of ROE because your mind will be blank. So keep it to the point. Also, let's talk about the tell me about yourself question. A lot of candidates take this lightly, but it's actually one of the most important questions. In fact, 80% of hiring managers judge you based on how you answer this one. So make sure you prepare for this professionally. I have made a separate video both for freshers and experienced candidates separately on how you can create your tell me about yourself answer by following my 7-step formula. You can create your answer within minutes. The steps are very simple and they're so easy. I have attached the link in the description of this video. You will also see thumbnail at the end of this video as well. Let's start our session with this question, tell me about yourself. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know about your background, education, and motivation to become a nurse. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I recently completed my nursing degree and clinical training, where I gained hands-on experience in patient care, administering medication, and assisting doctors. I am passionate about helping others and excited to begin my career in a professional healthcare setting. Question number 2. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to understand your key qualities and areas you are working to improve. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I'm compassionate, calm under pressure, and quick to learn. I'm also a good listener and work well in a team. My weakness is that I sometimes take on too much responsibility, but I'm learning to manage my workload and ask for help when needed. Question number 3. Why should we hire you? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see what makes you a good fit for the team. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, you should hire me because I am committed, caring, and eager to learn. I understand the importance of patient care and will do my best to support both patients and the medical team. Question number 4. What are the main responsibilities of a nurse? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check if you understand the role of a nurse or not. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, a nurse is responsible for monitoring patients, giving medications, helping with daily care, reporting changes to doctors, and ensuring a clean and safe environment. Question number 5. How do you handle stress emergency situations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know if you can stay calm and think clearly in urgent situations. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm, focus on what needs to be done, and follow the training I received. I also make sure to communicate clearly with the team during emergencies. Question number 6. How do you ensure patient safety and hygiene? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check your understanding of basic nursing standards. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I follow all hygiene protocols like washing hands, using gloves, and sanitizing equipment. I also monitor patients closely and report any issues immediately. Question number 7. How do you handle a difficult patient? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know if you have patience, communication skills, and emotional control. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm, listen to the patient's concerns, and try to understand their point of view. I respond politely and follow hospital guidelines. If needed, I ask a senior nurse or doctor for support. Question number 8. Are you comfortable working night shifts or weekends? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to know if you are flexible with work schedules. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that yes, I understand that nursing is a 24/7 job and I'm ready to work night shifts or weekends whenever required. Question number 9. What are your salary expectations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check if your expectations match what the hospital or clinic can offer. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that well, I'm open to discussing a fair salary based on your pay scale for fresh nurses and the responsibilities of the role. Question number 10. Do you have any questions for us? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see if you are interested in the role and workplace. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that yes, I would like to know more about the orientation program and opportunities for learning and career growth. So there you have it, 10 most important nursing job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.